Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Tesla door not opening from outside. Usually this happens during severe winter conditions because of the ice buildup. Makes it more difficult to open the door handle. So what you can do, you can either use the mobile app or show you how to actually fix the situation. So in the mobile app, what you do is you touch and hold any of the four, quick control buttons and follow the instructions to customize quick controls with unlatch door. And when you're next to your car, you just tap on unlatch door to pop open the driver door. And if it is, a severe condition and you need to remove ice from the door handle, you need to remove the buildup, which can actually prevent the door handle from opening. There is a process, okay? What you can do is, first of all, you can preemptively apply WD-40 to the door handle, to prevent ice buildup. But if it is already, a situation where there is ice buildup, this is what you need to do, okay? You need to forcefully press the frontmost part of the door handle. So this part right here, it will rock slightly inward to help break the ice, right? And then what you do is you press the rearmost part of the door handle to try to open the door as you normally would, right? And then once the door handle is able to move, you open and close it a few more times to release any remaining ice buildup. So the front and then the back part, you just keep doing that, alternating it, and make sure the door handle is fully pressed in, it's retracted prior to entering the vehicle, and just check that the door is fully closed before you drive away. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.